Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gail. In this video, I'm going to show you how I extend my fully set up backdrop. Stay tuned.
This is a backdrop that is fully set up and I just couldn't resist. I just had to take a few snaps. First, I remove the butterflies. I use press stick to stick the butterflies down. Press stick is a reusable putty-like adhesive and it's a versatile product that I use quite often. Next, I remove everything from the backdrop, and this took me quite a while to do. And yeah, let's take a look. I took the hedge off the backdrop stand and I laid it on the floor. Now I'm going to extend the backdrop. So our backdrop height was 1.8 meters. I am going to flip that and use the 1.8 meters as our new width and then extend the height to about 2 meters. So basically what I'm saying is I had a backdrop of 1.6 meters in width and 1.8 meters in height. And now we've extended that to a 1.8 meter width and a 2 meter height. I am going to use cable ties to attach the extension. You can use any size that you like, but I will advise that you use green or black cable ties if you have a similar hedge or a green backdrop like I have. To secure the new piece to the existing piece at the top corner. On the short side, I will use 4 cable ties to secure, and at the longer side, I will use 5 cable ties to secure the pieces together. Once I have attached all my pieces to the backdrop, I will snip the axes from the cable ties. I have also used cable ties to attach the box hedge to the top bar of the backdrop stand. Extend the telescopic poles of the stand, and then I attach the sides of the hedge to the side poles. Next, I just check to see if there was any gaps, and if I found gaps, I would just tie them up with the cable ties and it would work beautifully.
If you watched this video to the end, thank you so much. I hope I see you back here. Take care.